What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Today we're going on a hunt. As you know what's going on and people are going crazy, we need to find toilet paper. And also my son's birthday's coming up and he wants frozen waffles for his birthday, so we're gonna try to find some frozen waffles and we're gonna go along and see how the stores are and check that out, because I'm sure it's gonna be crazy. So yeah, we're probably gonna have to go to a few different stores, so let's see how this goes. I'm imagining you guys are going through the same thing, seeing the same stuff, and I don't know, let's go, let's do this. So store number one we're gonna hit up, I think, is Stater Brothers, which is kind of right near the house. We're gonna check it out, see what they got, see if they got toilet paper, which I highly doubt, and see if they have some frozen waffles, which is another thing I highly doubt, but we're gonna look. Yesterday we happened to stop by and they had just got a shipment of milk, and the lady said that stuff goes quick. So kids are out of school, and like the day that they announced that they're closing the schools until I think April 13th, people went and freaking rushed to stores and just bought everything. It's crazy, man. I don't think I've ever seen anything like this before. So I don't know, we'll see. I'm sure you guys have experienced something very similar. Fortunately, I think we had some TP still left. We have like 24 rolls, and hopefully by the time we need to buy it, they'll be in stock again. But I don't know, man. I don't know, the way things are going. Yeah, here's the hoping, right? I guess we can hope. So let's check it out. That's level. I think that's level. Yeah. So far, I mean, just getting here, you can see that the ooh, he ran over some glass bottle. You can see the parking lot's pretty empty. It's not as full as it normally is. It's definitely a little bit more empty, but that could be because they don't have shit here. So we'll see. Yeah, at this place. And this is the closest place to us, so we're gonna find out. Take a look. We'll look down the aisles. See how bad it is. Yeah.
You weirdo.
Oh wow.
Let's take a walk down the
shit
aisle.
Go down any of these aisles, they're all fucking empty.
Come on, why isn't it turning? There it goes.
There it is.
So here's.
This is where the bread is.
Oh, the bread's gone. So we got no bread. I mean, of course the organic, non-GMO garbage is still here.
Those are muffins.
There's Jolly Ranchers. What are we looking for? Oh, frozen aisle. Frozen food.
Waffles. Those are this way.
Damn, even their meat section's like, holy crap. All their food is gone. And this stuff spoils, so it's not like you can freaking store it. I mean, you can freeze it, I guess. I bet the frozen food section is gonna be lots of ice cream. You live off ice cream. All the fish, I noticed, places where the fish, no one's touching it. Oh, wow.
That's where the hamburgers and stuff.
And here's where all the meat was. Crazy. Look, anything with fish, for some reason, still has food. A couple pizzas. Look, this side, all the healthy stuff, healthy choice. Look at that. All the healthy stuff still here. People aren't that desperate, apparently. Man, look at that.
You still got your vegetarian stuff.
Yeah, all the veggie stuff still here.
Which honestly,
They got Corona. All right. I don't even know what was in here.
Breakfast stuff.
Oh, we might find. Are we gonna get lucky? Nope.
We got French toast or power grain.
They're thick and fluffy double chocolate waffles. We don't tell him that these are the Nutri-Grain. He might not know that. We'll just pour a bunch of syrup on it.
What's wrong with these waffles? Oh, there's 6 waffles in there, that's it?
Yeah. We can go to another store and look, but these might be gone by the time we come back.
I feel like we might have a little bit better luck at a different store.
Alright.
But if anything, there's
Let's
another
check the
Stater
TP aisle.
Brothers all the way up
Is there?
by the CVS.
Oh, I didn't know there was another Stater Brothers.
We
So.
got a couple options here.
Alright, some options. Look, all the salads are still here.
Not even though.
Oh, look, more seafood still here. So
Cookies. Would you all do cookies?
yeah, cookies are still here.
We can live off of junk food.
Yeah, we can totally live off of junk food.
Get like all the cookies.
Toilet paper, right? This cleaning supplies, that's empty.
Probably this one.
Yeah.
Because there's the tissue.
Fast towel, yeah,
They
this
have
is.
all of the big tissues. You want to burn?
I'm telling you, you think I'm joking? I find out you spot all this, I'm gonna come rob you. I'm totally gonna come rob whoever bought all this stuff.
Yeah,
Who cares?
There's no luck here.
All right, next door. All right, so like I said, next door, I think we're gonna go hit up the neighborhood Walmart. At least see if they have better waffles. The waffles he likes. Kids are picky, you know how that goes. But I doubt they'll have toilet paper. So, man, let's go. One thing to note is traffic is definitely non-existent. Parking lots are pretty much empty, so everyone is definitely trying to self-quarantine. So, well, this place looks poppin'. El Patron. Well, I mean, there's definitely some cars in there. So, but for the most part, traffic's pretty light and parking lots are empty. I guess it's a good thing to see. So the parking lot here has definitely got more cars, but I feel like it's still pretty empty for a Walmart.
This one doesn't ever get busy though.
I guess you're right. It is a neighborhood.
Here.
It is a neighborhood Walmart, not like the other Walmart. All right, so one thing I was just talking about was like, I'm so glad I got a haircut last week because we just drove by the haircut place and they were closed. So, all right, waffles. Hey, look, this one, all the healthy food's actually disappearing. Yeah, the fruits are going.
Shocking.
Yeah, all the veggies over here, gone. That's beer.
It's beer.
Beer's still here, so we're good, we're safe. Oh, wow, look at the aisle in the back. It's like empty. Canned foods, pretty much disappearing. Wow, I don't even know what's in that one. Breads, oh, that's where all the bread was. Oh, what are you looking for?
Mayo chup.
Mayo chup? What is that?
It's a mayonnaise and ketchup.
Oh, mayonnaise. We have this one. I still haven't tried this
and then
one.
we have the barbecue sauce.
What's the barbecue sauce one called?
What's it called?
I don't know. I'm gonna try this with fish sticks. That looks delicious. Crunch.
You gotta get that French.
Man, that's where all the toilet paper and stuff, that's empty.
What did you want to buy, like air filters and stuff for your house?
I don't know if it's gonna help with the virus. Air fresheners, dish detergents, all that's gone. All the healthy stuff is still here. I am not seeing any waffles. No waffles so far.
That one says frozen breakfast.
All the meat's gone. These guys are empty. All right, breakfast aisle. Look again. Look at all the fish. All the fish stuff is still here. Yeah, they do have better pizzas. Oh, look at that. Did we hit the jackpot? No, it's the same stuff, the Nutri-Grain ones. Fuck it. Are they say mixed berry though?
He eats blueberry ones. He just smothers them with chocolate so he can't taste it.
Alright, well.
Or they have one box of buttermilk waffles but just kind of ripped.
Someone probably tried to steal them. What's that one? Let's see. What we got?
Ooh, buttermilk.
Oh,
I
yeah.
have like 2 of those.
Alright. 2 boxes of buttermilk. Are you getting that too? Wait, who's buying this? Am I buying this or are you buying this?
You're buying this. Mom just sent me to go find it.
What the hell?
It's for Nathan. His birthday. I'll carry it though. We win.
I guess we win. I didn't win. I had to pay for it. I thought she was buying it. Oh, she's driving, so I get to pay for it. What? No, it was this aisle.
I know. Okay.
What were you looking for? Yeah, look at all the cleaning supplies. Hey, you can get Windex. Doesn't Windex? We could just spray some Windex on it. It'll take care of everything. Just spray some Windex on it. Why is someone coughing without even covering their mouth? Fucking over there.
We're gonna die now.
Yep, we're gonna die now. All right, let's go this way. Oh, even the dog food. Dog food's empty. People are fucking nuts, dude. Look, all the baby formula is going out. Look at that.
Oh, yeah.
There's all the water. Gone. Gone. We can get some diapers, and then we're good.
Those were pads now.
Oh. I don't know. Look like diapers to me.
They still have access.
Alright, so it looks like we secured the waffles.
4 boxes.
4 boxes. They were super cheap, like $1 something each. So we got those, so we're good there. We're still gonna hit up a few more stores, see if we can find some toilet paper and just check out what's going on out there. I think it's pretty fucking nuts. I mean, as you can see, most of these stores are empty. I don't know, it's a bit crazy, but I think next we're gonna hit up Target. Target is the next thing. So let's go. Ooh, that's a tree. I don't know if you guys heard that, but this dude literally just ran into that tree. He like boom hit it. All right, so Target parking lot. I mean, it's Target. This place still looks like normal. It's actually a little less busy, but not like, but it's not empty. So like some of the other stores. So let's see what Target's got on my toilet paper. If you really need a mask, there you go. We got plenty of masks. Oh man. It's actually pretty dead in here. It's pretty empty. I saw a video from people in China and they were like spitting on the elevator buttons and like licking elevator buttons.
Ew.
Yeah, like
What
for
the
no
hell?
reason. It's dumb.
Why?
Right? Or like I saw a video of a lady collecting masks to resell off the street, out of the garbage. She was pulling them out to resell them. Yeah, that's what started all this shit. Oh, I mean, you still got a decent amount of cereal. Oh, not these ones. More stuff, pretty much empty. Snacks, bread, that's all gone. Frozen sections, kind of sparse. That's where all their paper was. Oh, holy crap, it's right there. Look at that. What are you guys doing? This is crazy. This is dumb. Look. Here's something you can wipe your ass with. Tissue paper. Dude, that's insane.
Doing 1 per guest.
You have to have some to freaking do 1 per guest. This is crazy. People are fucking retarded. This is the idea. Is you find who took all the toilet paper and you go shit in their yard. You go take a dump in their yard every day. And like, you know how dogs wipe their ass? You do that.
Oh, no.
You do that on their grass.
Dad. You're something else.
What's the next store we're going to? Sprouts. Sprouts.
And then you said like a Walgreens.
And there's like a Walgreens, yeah. And then I'm done. I'm not looking at it anymore.
It's like I'm over this.
Yeah. In-N-Out is still fucking busy as shit. They're like, fuck the coronavirus. We need our In-N-Out. All right. Almost done for the looking. I'm already fed up with it. But yeah, 2 more stores after this. So we're at Sprouts.
Walgreens.
I never come to Sprouts, so I don't know how to compare this, how busy it is. But, I mean, we're literally just looking for toilet paper at this point.
Like at this point.
Yeah. We'll see what happens.
You need some dinner, you better come here because
Yeah. They actually, look, their service is actually open. You know, I don't even know if they have toilet paper here. Maybe over here. These guys are actually stocked. I feel like this is where the toilet paper was. Bath tissue. Yep.
you got some face tissues.
Strike out again. No toilet paper. Okay. I don't see any. But overall, I feel like these guys are stocked more than anyone else so far. Oh, that's a weird noise. Alright, well, next door. Where are we going?
Walgreens.
Yeah, there's a Walgreens and then it's a Rite Aid. or something, right? All right, Walgreens. I feel like we're not gonna find it, but whatever, you know. We're gonna go one more store after this, and if they don't have it, then I'm done. I'm done looking. This is fucking ridiculous. I feel like, yeah, I feel like I get lucky and maybe like there's like that last package just sitting there on the aisle, just waiting for me. The music plays, oh, you know. She doesn't believe me.
Oh my god.
There you go. They got nothing. Strike. Another strike.
Toilet paper section. This is paper towels.
I bet it goes here. We can use cards. We got plenty of cards. It might hurt. You can even scrape a little bit.
Ugh. You are horrible. You
All right.
for saying that.
So they don't have it. CVS is the next store, which is that's pretty much it. Or Rite Aid. Yeah, Rite Aid. And then that's it. We're done. All right. Last stop after this. We're not looking anymore. We're at CVS.
Home.
Yeah, we're gonna go home after this. CVS. I don't know. What do you think? Think we're gonna find anything?
Probably not. Honestly, probably not.
I don't think so either. Well, let's go. Let's see what we got. I don't think so. Diapers? No. It's not down these aisles. Oh, I think we found it. 2-pack. Yeah. All out. All out. Kleenex is still around though. We keep finding this everywhere. Huh? Febreze? We're gonna need it. Alright guys, well, that's it. I'm not looking anywhere else. No toilet paper anywhere. So if you're going through the same situation at home, hopefully you guys have some extra and you guys are stocked up at least so that you're not running out. The one thing I was just talking about, I'm curious, is like how this is going to work on a sewage system. If no one has toilet paper and they're using, I don't know what they're using,
like that.
and they're throwing it in there, like how messed up is that system going to get? Are we going to have an issue? I don't know. I'm not one to, I don't know that stuff, but anyways, hopefully you guys stay safe. Hopefully you guys are having better luck. Like I said, we have some on hand still, so it's not too big of a deal yet. But we'll see what happens. Hope you guys have a, so whatever time it is you guys are watching this, night, weekend. Uh-oh. Bye. Bye.